The other interesting aspect about frame relay is how the devices in its virtual circuits work. The routers themselves are always DTEs in a normal frame relay environment. They'll connect to DCEs or frame relay switches. The DCE will allocate for the local end of the circuit what is known as the Data Link Connection Identifier, or DLCI. This number is locally significant. It only identifies what the local endpoint identifier is. You can see at the other end that the allocation on this switch is DLCI 743. This is only locally significant on this side of the network. Now the cloud itself is connected and is actually going to be able to route any inbound traffic on DLCI 157 on this switch to the outbound port DLCI 743 on this switch, regardless of how big the cloud is. But it is up to the service provider to make all of these adjustments and to make all of their routes from DLCI to DLCI. It's very much like the phone company routes a voice packet from your phone line to another phone line when you dial that other phone line's phone number. It is the exact same concept in frame relay. These numbers are significant to your local line. If you think about how much of the number is actually yours, it is only the last couple of digits of that number. The initial first digits in the 10-digit number will include the area code and the prefix, which actually places you on the right switch. What's very interesting about frame relay is that very similar coding is used inside of the cloud. Once I finally get to the right switch, then I will have the local number, which in this case is 157, or in this case is 743. This will allow data to be shipped out to the correct router and allow that connection to be made.